on the Narrows. We got here at 6 a.m. Second one's in the parking lot, and now it's full. It took a while to get ready, but I think we'll be warm, hopefully. Here it is. Here starts the Narrows. It's gonna be cold, and we're gonna freeze for about 6 hours.
What have you gotten into?
10 steps into the river, and what do we have to say for these dry suits?
My feet are
Soaked.
literally walking in water.
Here he is. Halfway submerged. Pretty crazy.
Look back.
Time for another river crossing. Fun time. We've been hiking for like 2 hours. Thoroughly soaked, and we stopped every 10 feet or so to take photos. So I don't know how far in we are. But it's beautiful. And there's nobody here. First night of light in the canyon. Well, we were hiking through the dark for 2 hours, and now what a beautiful photo spot. Just like that. You think it's deep?
Turn back, I see rivers beyond the line.
Now we're really in the Narrows.
Ancient roads in broken design. Angels running through our minds. Look out, your city's built on marble floors. Neon lights in the falling snow. Those nights back in Tokyo. And weeks went by but felt like hours. Spring with light and summer showers. My hair were winter flowers.
It's just relaxing.
And weeks went by but felt like hours. Seasons multiply in power. I found in winter flowers.
Alright, now we're on the way down. People are still going up, but it's getting late. We've seen maybe 20, 25 people in this whole canyon. Our way back, and we're finally in the snow. EBJs for days.
And we said, this has only just begun. In the end, time forever favors the young. And we said, this has only just begun. In the end, time forever favors the young.
Well, Maura's fallen twice now, and this one was pretty bad. She got her butt soaked, her coat, my beanie,
My pants.
everything.
The water has entered my pants.
Literally at the end of the hike, and she goes down. That's miserable. almost home. Made it. That was a heck of a hike. I'll do it again. You'll do it again.
Yeah, we probably will.
Beautiful sight. We made it.
And we said, this has only just begun. In the end, time forever favors the young. And we said, this has only just begun.